Right then, so the tutorial for this. So you're gonna need a pretty big coin. So because a lot of you guys are American, I guess, or American based, you'll probably have like a $50 lying around. If you're Chinese or Japanese, just use a yen because they're stylish. You have to admit, yens. They're like black with the golden rim. I want a yen. Anyway, you're gonna use a $50, or if you are in Europe, you're gonna use like €2 because they're the biggest coin you can get in Europe, I think. Yes, they're the biggest coin you can get in Europe. And yeah, so you're gonna get a pretty big coin, the biggest coin you have lying around. You're not gonna want it to do with tiny coins because with a tiny coin, you know, all the moves and stuff, it's not gonna be very visual and stuff. So, you know, so you're gonna use a big coin. So the first move I used, it's a basic move in coin magic, it's the false transfer, okay? So you can use a false transfer like that. I'm not going to teach that one yet. But the one I used in the video was this one. Like that. So from the back, you can easily see what's going on there. Okay, but from the front, slightly weird, less weird grip. It looks a lot more convincing. Well, it's hard to do it with your hands like this. So, it's quite easy. You're going to hold the coin between your thumb, middle finger and index finger. I'm just going to place it in the palm of your hand. So the finger's going to touch the palm of the hand. As these fingers close over, before they touch your finger, right, this thumb is going to squeeze on the coin, causing it to come like this. Going to bring it back and come out again, and then you can close your hand. So quickly, boop. Looks like that. That's just so satisfying when you do that to someone. Boop, and boop, you know. So basically, if you want, before the routine starts, you can do like a quick teleportation in front of the people to demonstrate your power and coin magic. I'm not a coin specialist. I'm more with cards and stuff. I'm not really a coin sleight hand guy. Remember the O production? If you want to learn that production, just say yes. Remember in my comment section. That one I did at the beginning of the performance video. So once you have the coin and you've done your false transfer, and your thumb squished down and bring it back, it's going to put it in here. So it's going to put it in a finger palm. But you're not going to want to put it down here. You're going to need to nudge it up a little bit like this. So it's in between your middle finger and ring finger instead of down here with your ring finger and pinky. And the reason for this is because when you're going to reach out for another coin, okay, I'm going to reach out for an imaginary coin. If you keep it down here and your hand is like this, you will see, the spectator will see the edge of his coin. So you nudge it up a little bit and you curl it in. Now that coin is here and your pinky can cover this up. So now they can't see that. Because if it's down here, you have loads of room to flash and stuff. So you're going to take it, grab it, you're going to toy around the coin a little bit. And you're not going to flash unless there's someone behind you. If there's someone behind you, you've got bad luck. Otherwise, this is quite a comfortable move actually. All this trick in general is really quite comfortable with angles and stuff. So you've done your false transfer, you've got it in your finger palm, and you're gonna toying around the coin. And remember, you're covering this up so no one can see the coin on the air, all the sides. And then once you're toying around the coin, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a t-shirt. Now it can be a hanky. So if it's gonna be a hanky, it's gonna be even easier to perform because that means you can perform it on a table. So if you perform it on a table, that's very good. Because then, like, the angles are a little easier to perform. So I have my little hanky. Hello. Nice little white hanky. So you got it in your finger palm, okay? You're going to reach over, and your hand, as you fold over here, watch what's going to happen. Your thumb's going to come in, because they can't see. Your thumb's going to come in. Nudge it like this, and then you can continue. Then you can unveil. And it looks like the coins just come out of nowhere. So you can do this. So just practice that a little bit. It's in this weird finger palm. As it comes over, you quickly nudge it into place, and you can reveal. Now you kind of wrap up your hand completely and do like a snap your fingers and stuff. I just do it with my t-shirt if I don't have a hanky. Otherwise, if you have got a hanky, that's really good because it means you can do the whole routine. So once again, you can do a French drop as a false transfer or whatever. Then you can take the coin, remember covering up with the pinky, coin, toy around with it a little bit, come over here, and then nudge that coin into place, and you have that coin. It's really amazing routine. Really love this. I perform it everywhere I go. Really one of my favourite routines. Pretty cool. It's like the it's like the coin through the hanky. It's coin through the hanky. I think you can guess what that is. It's simply like that. Coin goes right through the hanky. If you want me to teach another coin trick rather than a card trick, let me know. Leave a like. Otherwise, let me stick with cards. If you want more coins, then that's fine. One last thing about this coin trick. It's very good so long as there's no one behind you, because when there's someone behind you, I'll see you do your false transfer or whatever. You don't have to do this false transfer. If you feel uncomfortable doing that, go ahead and look up other false transfers you can do, all that. Because this false transfer is normally used for the cups and balls with the little red balls and stuff. So if you feel more comfortable with just doing like a French drop, like this, go ahead and do that. So remember, false transfer, vanish. It's already nudged into this weird finger palm. Pinky covers up. Toy around a little bit. Come over. Pretend to leave the coins there. Make your hanky go over. Nudge it into place like this. Make the coin appear. And that is the coin routine I came up with. Hope you guys liked it. See you. Bye.